The new Volkswagen Passat Estate has achieved a stellar 5-star rating in the rigorous Euro NCAP safety assessment, solidifying its position as one of the safest mid-sized models of 2024. This marks the third time the Passat has earned Euro NCAP's highest accolade, a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to safety and innovation. In its 9th generation, the Passat Estate excels in all safety categories, garnering impressive scores: 93% for adult occupant protection, 87% for child occupant protection, 83% for vulnerable road users, and 80% for safety assist systems. These results highlight the vehicle's comprehensive safety features, including standard technologies like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist monitoring. The Passat Estate's design integrates advanced safety technologies like Car2X, enabling real-time hazard information exchange with other vehicles and traffic infrastructure. This ensures enhanced safety not only for occupants but also for pedestrians and cyclists. Moreover, the Passat Estate combines business-class comfort with family-friendly practicality, offering spaciousness and top-notch safety for children, as evidenced by its excellent performance in frontal and side impact tests. With its exclusive availability as an estate model, the Passat continues to be a bestseller in Europe, embodying Volkswagen's long-standing tradition of blending safety, versatility, and market-leading quality in the mid-sized segment.